Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate, high-impact steps. Make sure you are on wired Ethernet or a clear 5 GHz band, because lower latency matters. Once done, close any background apps on the PC or phone hosting the stream to free bandwidth. Next, power cycle the router and modem, turn off, wait 60 to 90 seconds, then bring them back online. This clears transient congestion and IP lease issues, which often reduces packet loss and jitter quickly. Once your basics are stable, tune the network and devices for consistent throughput. You should enable Co-S on the router and prioritize the Xbox or phone. This helps real-time UDP traffic by lowering queuing delays. Then switch to a reliable DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8. 8 to speed name resolution, and measure latency to the nearest Microsoft region so you know if routing is the issue. Also update the console app and device drivers. To finish, adjust the streaming settings in the Xbox Cloud app. Reduce bitrate or drop resolution if stutter persists, because lower bandwidth demands cut buffering. Then test across times of day and another device to see whether the ISP route or your home network is at fault. If issues remain, collect basic diagnostics, average ping, jitter, and packet loss percentages to the service, and contact support with those numbers. They let you and the ISP target routing or server problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.